Hey, this is James Stafford from WebsitesMadeEasy.tv, and in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to properly make a website and earn money. In fact, I'm going to show you 4 ways you can start making money with your website today. So by the end of this video tutorial, my goal is for you to have your website properly set up to start making money. Check it out. One way, which is killer, is I send people straight to a checkout page on our website. No complicated sales funnel. I call this the one-page funnel, and we get people purchasing daily. It's awesome. It's a very effective way to make quick cash selling your products and services. And you'll see how powerful this is when I show you step by step how to properly set up your website to make money. Now, just a heads up, this might not be for everyone. You got to be committed to this. And if you apply this information, you can potentially start making $100 a day or more with the strategies I'm going to teach you. So get dialed in, because if you've ever struggled to make money online before, the struggle is finally over. Essentially, what I'm giving you in this video is a roadmap to making money with your website, which is awesome. Excited? You should be, because this is going to be a fun, easy, and more importantly, profitable experience. And here's what you're going to learn. You'll discover how to maximize the earning potential of your website by leveraging conversion-driven content. And I'll show you how to optimize your website so you can start bringing a ton of traffic to your website quickly, easily, and for free. I'm going to show you how you can start selling your products or services with the one-page funnel. And lastly, I'm going to show you not one, but 2 really neat ways you can start profiting from other people's products immediately, and one other simple way to start making money with your website quickly. And as a bonus, I'm going to teach you how to create my signature hybrid homepage, which is going to help you make even more money fast. That's because my hybrid homepage is designed to deeply engage your audience and will practically compel visitors to keep coming back to your website and turn into subscribers and then ultimately buyers. Now, this tutorial is jam-packed with good stuff, so make sure you switch off your phone, turn off Facebook or any other tab you got open, and close off all distractions, because I'm going to pull back the curtain on what I consider to be the fastest and easiest way ever to make money from your website starting from today. And it's so easy, a complete newbie can do it, really. The only thing that's required is application of this information and a willingness to make it happen. You're going to love it. So get dialed in, because there's lots to show you. This video is based on my signature 3-step WTC system, which is a proven blueprint to success with your website or even your blog. So here's the thing. For years, I struggled to make money online, and I jumped around buying course after course, getting more and more broke and more frustrated because I'd make a tiny bit of money and then nothing. Long story short, I got so tired of being broke that I swore I would stop buying the latest course with money I didn't even have, and just focused on what I found worked. So when I stripped everything back, I discovered you only need 3 things to make money online. You need to, number 1, build a money-making website. Number 2, get targeted high-quality traffic to your website. And number 3, turn leads into paying and repeat customers. 3 things: website, traffic, and customers, which is exactly what my WTC system stands for. That's it. So here's how this tutorial is going to work. I'm going to walk you through how to properly set up your website with the hybrid homepage, which is the foundation of the WTC system. Now let's start with step 1, which is all about creating a money-making website. Now don't worry if you've never built a website before. I promise it's not daunting, scary, or overwhelming. Just follow along with me, because the process is simple, easy, and doesn't require any technical skills whatsoever. You can get started for next to nothing, and I think it's safe to say I've got this process pretty dialed in. What you're going to be creating with your website is a profit roadmap. It's what's going to bring the money to you. Believe it or not, getting your website up and running from scratch is actually the really easy part. And now once that's done, we can start adding in the juicy bits, which is essentially all the key ingredients of a money-making website. Now these include your hybrid homepage, money-making content, and irresistible offers. Now our goal for your website is very simple. We want to attract the right people to your website and give them a super valuable piece of content for which they can sign up to your list to get. And once you have someone on your list, you can start to build and nurture a relationship with them so you can start offering your products to them and therefore start making money repeatedly. This is why, in order to reach the goal of making money, you have to create a homepage that allows you to connect with your audience and encourage them to take the next step with you, which is signing up for your free stuff. Your hybrid homepage will allow you to do that very nicely because the way it's set up will allow you to both engage your audience and prompt them to take action. Sharing things like your pilot story, which is one key ingredient of the hybrid homepage, will help you massively because you want to be relatable to your audience and share your experiences in order to create a connection with them. Stories are the best way to do that. It's a win-win scenario because ultimately that's what we're aiming for, is to make your website profitable by giving tons of value and giving you the freedom and flexibility of earning while doing something you love. Now, it's important to understand that things have changed over the years, and it's more important than ever to start your website the correct way and lay a solid foundation for your future website success. The ultimate key to your website success is taking action, and the most successful folks are the ones who consistently publish regular content in different offers. Now, with that being said, let's take a peek at the website we're going to be creating. Now, this is it. It's killer, and we're going to create it using a totally free WordPress theme called 2019. It's fresh, clean, and beautiful, and it's the ideal theme for anyone serious about making money. Plus, it's got a ton of options to enhance its functionality, so it's perfect for creating a successful website. One of the key benefits of this theme is that it's fully mobile responsive, which means it's going to look just as great on a tablet or phone as it does on a desktop, and will allow your audience to connect with you wherever they are. If you've been poking around in the dark, not knowing how to get started with a profitable site, then this tutorial is really going to help you get clear on the exact steps you need to make money from your website. Plus, you'll learn the secret sauce and the exact steps we use at Websites Made Easy to turn visitors into raving fans and paying customers too. Content marketing is huge right now, and this theme is dialed in to ensure your content stands out by placing your content front and center to really capture the attention of your audience. So, how exactly do you start a money-making website? Now, creating your site just takes 3 easy steps using my proven WTC system, which is as follows. Step 1 is website, which is where you create your website. Step 2 is traffic, where I show you how to properly set up your website to get tons of quality traffic. And step 3, customers, where you turn your traffic into subscribers and paying customers. Now, we're going to be using WordPress, which is a simple web building tool which allows you to have your own website up and running in less than the time it takes to make and drink a cup of coffee. It's really easy these days with WordPress. It's the preferred platform from any big name brands who use it to propel their business forward. I personally helped thousands of people who knew nothing about the internet get up and running online quickly and easily and start making money from their website because WordPress is easy and intuitive to use. And speaking of making money, remember, I'm going to get you started making money online in this video. So be sure to stay to the end and not miss these goodies because I'll be sharing with you 4 awesome ways you can make your website super successful and start generating money from it. So stay tuned because I think you're going to find this video super useful. Okay, so let's dive in. We're going to get started with step 1, which is setting up your website. Let's get going. To get your website live online, we need to get set up with website hosting. And to do that, we're going to head over to HostGator.com. Now, hosting is crucial to getting started online and is no different to you moving into a new home and letting people know where your home is so when they search for you, they know exactly where to find you. It's also very important to have a web host to ensure your website functions properly. This way, your website will look and function exactly as it should, specific to how I'm going to teach you. And your website content will have a safe place to live online. Now, this is really the only money you'll spend in this tutorial, and it comes under just $10 a month. It really is a small investment to get started with your website and have your business live online. So decide what you'd like here, and then type that in here, and choose between .com or whatever you'd like. Plus, I'm going to give you a little coupon code to save you up to 60% off your hosting. Now you want to enter in a username and security pin and choose the billing cycle you like. I'm going to go with the whole year as it's slightly cheaper this way. Next, go ahead and enter in the billing information here and make sure you use an email address you can access, as HostGator will email you with your login details afterward. Next, you'll see it's added on a lot of extras here, so you want to uncheck these as you don't need them now. And now you want to enter the coupon code here. So enter WordPress Hero, validate it, and you will see it will bring the cost right down, saving you up to 60% off your entire hosting depending on the hosting package you choose. Now, when you're happy with everything, click on Checkout Now, and you'll be the proud owner of your very own new website address. Okay, awesome. Now, you'll receive a couple of emails from HostGator with your login details and some links to different things. This is very important, so you want to find the cPanel link here and click on that. The cPanel is where you can install WordPress to your domain name and also do lots more stuff with your website. So log in using the username and password which you chose, and in case you can't remember, they're both in the email you just received. At first, this might look a bit overwhelming. It did for me when I first saw it. There's lots of different things you can do here, but all you need to do right now is find the software and services area. So scroll down and you'll see it here. Now find Quick Install and click on that and click on WordPress here. Okay, all you need to do now is fill in a few things such as the email address, the person who will be looking after your website. So if this is you, you can put in your email address, then your name or the name of the person as well. Now give your website a title, then your name and last name, and click on Install. Once you've installed WordPress, you'll get a success message that it's complete. Your username and password are here. You're going to use these to log into your website. You'll also get an email with all of this in it as well. When you're ready, click on the link here, which will take you to the login or back end of your website so you can edit and start creating it. And you might get an error message saying that the page isn't available yet, and you might have to wait until everything with your new website is set up. Now, this is completely normal. It just takes a little bit for your website to become live online, and also you might have to set up the name servers for your new website, so don't worry about this. It's super easy. All you need to do is head over to HostGator again, and once you're there, click on the customer portal. Now log in using the username and password, which you'll find in the email HostGator sent you. Now you want to click on domains and click on your domain and find name servers. And then click on change. Then click on automatically point to my domain to my hosting account. Then save and you are all done. Now you should be able to click on that link again, enter your username and password to log into WordPress, and you're in. You're now on your dashboard and you're the proud owner of an online website. Congratulations. Well done for sticking with it. It's a huge achievement, and this is where the real fun is about to begin. Okay, so now we're going to start building out your website. Now, this is the dashboard area. It's like, think of it like the heart of your website where you edit and change different things. Now, there's lots of different things going on here, and we're going to talk about these very soon. So don't let it scare you or make you feel overwhelmed. It's not daunting at all. It's actually super easy to work with WordPress, and I'm going to show you how in this little video. So first, what I want you to do is let's go ahead and X out all these little notifications. So just go over here and then click on this X right here, X, and this last one right here, and you're good to go. Now what I want you to do is head over to this little home icon right here, and it says visit site, and then click on this and right click and open it up in a new tab. Okay, then go ahead and head back over to this tab, and this is what your website looks like out of the box. Not a lot going on right now. It's like a diamond in the rough. It doesn't look like much right now, but it's going to change very soon, and you'll see. So let's head back to the dashboard. Okay, so right here it says your site is currently displaying a coming soon page, and once you're ready to launch, click here. So let's go ahead and click here so we're not showing a coming soon page, okay? So once you're done with that, head over here to Pages, and then click on Add New. And then go ahead and click on this and X this out. And I want you to title this page Welcome. And then right over here, go ahead and click on Publish. And then Publish again. Perfect. Then head back over here to Add New and then click on that. And I want you to title this page Contact Us. Go ahead and publish. Publish again. Head back over here to Add New. Then I want you to title this page About. Go ahead and publish, and then publish again. Click on Add New, and then type in blog. This will be your blog page. And go ahead and publish, and then publish again. Okay, now you have all your pages created and ready to go. And we'll talk about getting these pages dialed in here in a bit, but we're just getting the structure or the foundation for your website in place right now. So now you have everything squared away with your pages. Now I want you to head over here to Settings, and then click on this, and then click on General. And like I said, we're just getting the foundations dialed in here, okay? So right up here at Site Title, go ahead and name your website here, whatever you want it to be. I'm gonna name mine Websites Made Easy. We're just gonna model our main website for this tutorial. This way you have a firm understanding of how this all comes together, okay? And how this is done properly. And then right here for the tagline, I'm just gonna type in how to create a money-making website in 3 steps. Now you want your tagline to be compelling. If you're gonna add a tagline there, you don't have to, but make it something catchy. So when someone reads that, boom, they know exactly what your website is about, and it's very clear. Remember, you really wanna make this benefit driven. You wanna make this about your audience, not about you. Why are people coming to your website? They're not coming to buy your stuff. They're not coming to just hang out. They're coming for solutions to problems, and they're coming for a transformation. What is your website gonna do for them? What is the end result? People don't buy products or services, they buy the transformation. And that is what we're doing here. We're creating a website that is value driven, solving problems, giving solutions, okay? And the way that I'm gonna show you how to properly set this up, people are gonna naturally want to buy your products or services because you're adding so much value and you're building the know, like, and trust factor. And that's what this is all about. Now right here where it says WordPress address, don't change this, don't change this. Put in a good email address right here, and everything else is pretty much good to go. And then go ahead and make sure you save changes at the bottom. Then click on reading, and then right here where it says your home page displays, we want to select a static page, and then click on home page right here and select your welcome page. And then right here for post page, you want to select blog. This is where your blog posts will live, okay? And then right here it says for each article in the feed, click on summary and save changes. And then click on discussion right here. And this is basically your blog comment settings. And WordPress pretty much has this pretty dialed in, I feel like. Go ahead and scroll down, and right down here it says your default avatar. You want to select Gravatar, and you can go to gravatar.com and think of it like your Facebook profile, but for WordPress. So whenever you comment on another WordPress blog, or someone comments on your blog and they have a Gravatar logo set up, you're going to see their little profile. So that's pretty cool. So go ahead and save changes. Now I want you to head over here to permalinks. Now this is extremely important, okay? What you want to do is click on post name right here. Now what this does is it makes it so much easier for the search engines like Google to find your website. So people searching for solutions can find your specific posts, your products or services. And we're going to talk more about this in a bit. It's really, really important to the success of your website. So go ahead and save changes. Think of it like this: startyournewwebsite.com/contact us, or startyournewwebsite.com/about us. What it does is it cleans up the navigation for your website so you can be found online for your specific posts and pages. And like I said, we're going to talk about this more in a bit, but for now, we're good to go here. Okay, so let's go ahead and X out these notifications right here. Cool. Now head over here to Appearance and then Themes. Cool, I can't wait to show you this. Now, a theme is the look and feel of your website, and there are thousands of different themes to work with using WordPress. And some are great and some aren't so great. And that's why for this website build out, we're going to be using a theme called 2019. And actually, you can see right in here, it is currently the active theme. Now, if you ever wanted to switch themes, all you would do is just click on Add New Theme over here, and then you can search for them right here. So let's say I just wanted to type in 2019. you'll see it pop right up right here, and it says it's installed. Okay? Let's go ahead and activate. I believe it's already active, but let's just click it again just in case. Okay, cool. There you have it. So now, what's really awesome about 2019 is it's actually created by WordPress. So you can feel rest assured and confident in the knowledge that you're using a proven platform for your website build out.